Tonight, increasing fallout following the historic collapse of Silicon Valley Bank.
Are you an Etsy seller and didn't get paid today? Neither did I.
The demise of the nation's 16th largest bank and once a titan in the world of tech startups, wreaking havoc, including for sellers who use e-commerce site Etsy. The company acknowledging some users aren't getting paid because it distributed money through SVB.
Like, I'm freaking out. Those funds feed my family and pay my bills.
Amanda Nielsen runs her handmade soaps business through Etsy.
Seems a little unfair, doesn't it?
It does seem unfair. It really does.
She says she's no longer receiving deposits, though Etsy says it expects to pay sellers via other payment partners within the next several business days.
I had no idea this was going to affect me.
Silicon Valley Bank's failure was the largest in the U.S. since the 2008 financial crisis. Earlier this week, the bank took a loss of $1.8 billion on the sale of bonds, fueled in part by the Federal Reserve's rapid interest rate increases. As fear set in, customers rushed to withdraw $42 billion in deposits. By Friday morning, the bank had failed.
The market did not respond like they thought, and the ramifications were that they were running out of money.
For companies that had money at SVB, on Monday, the FDIC will provide insured depositors up to $250,000.
And then anything after that, unfortunately, you will have to wait.
Some companies now scrambling for access to cash. New York-based toy store Camp issuing this email to its customers begging for help, saying, "We had most of our company's cash assets at a bank which just collapsed," and offering a 40% discount for those using the promo code BANKRUN.
And George, we have new reporting tonight about internal payments at Silicon Valley Bank.
Yeah, that's right, Jose. CNBC is reporting that bank employees were paid their annual bonuses just hours before federal regulators took over on Friday. Now, sources say some of those payments were already scheduled for that day, but the optics here, hard to look past. Jose?